everyone, welcome to episode 65 of the Sew Not Scary series. In today's episode, we're going to look at whether the mini sewing machine's presser foot can be changed or not. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to begin by preparing the machine for opening up. So the usual things, I'll remove the plate cover, the bobbin, the battery compartment, okay? And then start opening the machine. Okay, so the machine's now open. We can take a look at what's going on. So the first question is that you guys have been asking me is, can we change the presser foot on the mini sewing machine? And I have answered, no you can't, but I don't think you can understand exactly why. So I thought it might be a good idea to show you exactly why. So right now our mini sewing machine is open, and if I turn it sideways, let's have a look at what the presser foot looks like, okay? I'm going to point out the different parts using the tip of my screwdriver because I don't have a bamboo skewer right now. See this little screw there? Okay, you might think, well, that screw can help us disconnect the presser foot from this bar. But do you know what that screw is actually holding up? It's holding up the holder to which the presser foot is riveted, but not only that, it's also holding up this entire length of coil of spring, okay? This is a compressed spring, okay? I know this because I tried undoing the screw and the entire spring just popped out and it was so difficult to put it back, okay? This entire spring coil is actually compressed. It's not relaxed. In its relaxed state, it's actually quite long. It's like this long, okay? Right now they have compressed it and they've used this screw to hold on to the bar with this silver plate, okay? If you undo the screw and take the silver plate off, the whole spring coil is going to just pop out and it's going to be next to impossible to put it back on the bar, okay? So number one, never ever touch or remove the screw, okay? Now let's look closer at the presser foot itself. Do you see this presser foot is actually riveted on? That little nubbin, that little circle of screw where I'm pointing is actually a rivet. It's not a screw, so you cannot take it off to swap out your presser foot. The presser foot is there to stay. And on the other side, can you guys see? There it is. It's a rivet. You cannot pull this off, okay? You are not supposed to pull it off. If you do pull it off, the presser foot's just going to fall off and it's going to be next to impossible to put it back where it belongs, okay? So that is why you cannot swap out or change the presser foot on your mini sewing machine. So please don't attempt to do so. There's a reason why we can't do it. This is just the way this machine is built, okay? I hope this was useful. I hope you understood now why I keep saying no, you cannot change the presser foot on your mini sewing machine. See you guys in the next video.